Welcome back to Stylish Seniors, where elegance never goes out of style. Today's topic is all about avoiding those little outfit mistakes that can unintentionally take away from your polished look, and how to fix them instantly with smart, stylish solutions. Whether you're heading to brunch, a gathering, or simply stepping out with confidence, these tips will keep you looking effortlessly refined. Fashion after 65 isn't about following every trend. It's about mastering timeless style with ease and grace. The good news? You don't need a whole new wardrobe to elevate your look. Sometimes the smallest adjustments make the biggest difference, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Stylish Seniors, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you and building a community that celebrates confidence at every age. Now let's get into these genius elegant fixes. One of the quickest ways to ruin an outfit is poor fit. Clothes that are too baggy can overwhelm your frame, while overly tight pieces may feel uncomfortable and look unflattering. The solution? Tailoring. A simple nip and tuck can transform an ordinary outfit into something that looks custom-made. Focus on key areas like shoulders, waist, and hemline. A well-fitted blazer or a properly hemmed pair of trousers instantly creates a cleaner silhouette. Even small alterations can make your outfit look more intentional and refined without requiring a full wardrobe overhaul. Remember, elegance is often subtle. When your clothes fit just right, you don't have to try hard. Your confidence does all the talking. Investing in fit is one of the smartest style decisions you can make at any age. Wearing the wrong color combinations can disrupt an otherwise beautiful outfit. Bright, clashing tones or mismatched undertones can feel chaotic instead of chic. The fix? Stick to harmonious color palettes that complement your skin tone and each other. Neutral bases like beige, navy, white, or gray are your best friends. You can then add a pop of color through accessories or a statement piece. This keeps your look balanced while still allowing personality to shine through. If you're unsure, try the 3-color rule. Limit your outfit to 3 main colors for a polished and cohesive appearance. It's a simple trick that instantly elevates your style without overthinking. Even the best outfit design can fall flat if the fabric looks cheap or worn out. Thin, wrinkled, or overly shiny materials can take away from your elegance. Instead, opt for fabrics that drape well and feel comfortable on your skin. Natural fibers like cotton, linen, silk blends, and soft wool often look more refined and age beautifully. They hold their shape better and give your outfit a more luxurious appearance without being flashy. Also, don't forget garment care. Steaming or ironing your clothes before wearing them makes a world of difference. A crisp, well-maintained outfit instantly signals sophistication. Accessories can either elevate your outfit or overwhelm it. Too many bold pieces at once can distract from your overall look. The key is choosing a few elegant accessories that complement rather than compete. Think classic: a structured handbag, a delicate necklace, or a timeless watch. These small touches add personality while maintaining a polished appearance. Less truly is more when it comes to accessorizing gracefully. Scarves are another fantastic option. They add color, texture, and sophistication instantly. A well-placed scarf can turn even the simplest outfit into something special. Shoes are often overlooked, but they can make or break your outfit. Worn out, overly casual, or mismatched shoes can undo all your styling efforts. Choosing the right pair instantly pulls your look together. Comfort is essential, but style doesn't have to be sacrificed. Look for supportive yet elegant options like low heels, chic flats, or stylish loafers. Neutral tones tend to work best for versatility and sophistication. Keep your shoes clean and well-maintained. A polished pair of shoes signals attention to detail and completes your outfit in a way that feels intentional and refined. And there you have it, simple yet genius fixes to ensure your outfit always looks elegant and put together. From perfecting the fit to choosing the right accessories and footwear, these small changes can make a remarkable difference in your overall style. Remember, true elegance isn't about perfection. It's about confidence, comfort, and thoughtful choices. With these tips, you can step out feeling stylish, graceful, and completely yourself every single day. Thank you so much for watching Stylish Seniors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your favorite style tip. See you in the next video.